CAM, the lead oxide specialists.
Good morning, everyone. Today I want to show you what are they doing our guys, and I want to show you the production made by CAM, 100% made in Fossacesia, not made in Italy.
Hi Matteo, what are you doing?
Hello, good morning. I am updating some drawings because we understood to improve some parts of the lead shaver. The only one method to produce a good oxide with less energy. Cool
Right,
system.
I agree with you. Hi Lorenzo, what are you doing?
Hi Francesco, I'm doing a spare part list of our products, the fast melt.
Amazing. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi Daniele, what are you doing?
Ciao, prepariamo i documenti di consegna del mulino Ball Mill 24 ton per Romano di Lombardia.
Okay, amazing. Hi ladies, what are you doing?
Working.
What?
What, preparing
Everything.
manuals? Yes, preparing letters to send to our customers.
Okay, amazing. Antonio?
Sto lavorando, sto facendo una procedura per un cliente.
Amazing.
Come si smontano
Thank you.
i pezzi.
Now I'm going to the production plant.
Hi guys, what are you doing?
Sto bene, sto bene. Stiamo imballando un pannello per Romano di Lombardia.
Amazing.
Pannello con centralina.
And here is the new electrical cabinet. Hi Simone, what are you doing?
Sto imballando questo pacco per Bergamo.
Perfect. Hi Nino, what are you doing?
Sto facendo il basamento per una camera di stagionatura per la porta.
Amazing. Hi Salvatore, what are you doing?
Stiamo montando un nuovo mulino Moppo 24.
Amazing. All made in Fossacesia, not imported. Hi Lorenzo, what are you doing?
Buongiorno, buongiorno. Stiamo preparando le bronzine per il nuovo mulino, dove vengono fatti degli incassi per la lubrificazione.
Amazing. Hi Marcello, what are you doing?
Sto facendo la meccanica per il mulino.
Amazing, thank you. Hi Giancarlo, what are you doing?
Buongiorno. Allora, oggi stiamo preparando la meccanica per la pigna della trucimatrice.
Amazing.
La linguetta, sto facendo i fori sia per il serraggio che per l'estrazione, che poi verrà applicata qua, e questa qua è la boccola che viene inserita dentro
nella pigna.
Ok. E a sua volta poi viene inserito l'altro.
Thank you. Hi Gino, what are you doing?
Sto costruendo il silo cilindro.
Amazing. Okay, this is a standard production day in CAM, and as you watched, this is all made in Fossacesia, from the design up to the production, building, startup, and so on. For this reason, we can give you, only for you, 2 years of titanium guarantee and 7 years
of free remote assistance and unique proposal in this market made by CAM. That's it. Click on the link below to receive for free at the moment the CAM box only for you, and then I will call you to understand how CAM can help your production if you want to elevate your quality on the LED batteries. I am Francesco Marfisi, live from CAM, the lead oxide specialist.
CAM, the lead oxide specialists.